Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today we are making Veg Hakka Noodles. For this I have taken chopped garlic, then green capsicum, then carrots, 2 eggs, sliced onion, and this is spring onion. The green side I have cut and kept it. And I'm going to make Veg Hakka Noodles from this Chings Veg Hakka Noodles packet. Now I have already kept water for boiling, so let's start making our Veg Hakka Noodles. Okay, to make Veg Hakka Noodles, first we are going to boil this water. I have taken lots of water in a kadhai and I'm going to first boil this water and then we are going to put our noodles into it. So let the water boil for some time. Along with this, I am going to put little bit of olive oil in this water, and I'm also going to little bit add some salt, and now we will wait till we get this water completely boiled. So now till our water is boiling, let's make our egg first. We'll first make an egg omelette. Simple egg omelette. For that I have taken 2 eggs, I have put some salt and I have just whisked it, and now we will just make this plain omelette so that we can add this omelette into our noodles. You can also add boiled chicken pieces and then it will become chicken hakka noodles. So let's cook this. Let's flip it after 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes. Let's flip this omelette, and I'm just going to lightly cook this. I don't want to make it really very crispy because I'm going to break this omelette now. So this is how I'm going to keep it. I don't want to really make it more crispy or anything. So let's just take it aside. Now so our water is boiled and now I'm going to put my noodles inside this. These are 150 grams of noodle packet, and I'm going to put in around 2 to 3 packet, 2 at least. We are cooking this on high flame, okay, and I'll be cooking this at least for 10 minutes because in the vegetables and with other sauce it's going to get cooked further. We don't want our noodles to be sticky, and so we are going to rinse them in cold water and then we are going to apply some oil. So let's cook this nicely for 10 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and it's still boiling, but I'm going to further cook it for another 5 minutes because it's still kacha. And only after that we are going to take them out and then we are going to rinse them in cold water. When you rinse in cold water, what happens is all the starch goes, and then the noodles are no more sticky. And then if you apply some oil and keep it aside, then they will not be sticky at all because we don't want sticky noodles. Remember this very important thing in Chinese cooking. Let me just see this, if this is cooked to the extent that I want. No, I need to cook it for further 5 minutes, so let's wait. Okay, so this is how it's looking now, and I had to put some more water, and I'm still cooking because I'm not yet satisfied with the noodles. They are still not cooked. I want it around actually almost 90 to 95% because they are going to get cooked in the vegetables, but still it's better if I cook them here properly because otherwise they will not taste good. We can't have noodles that are half cooked. So it's all cooked now, almost 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and I had to take 2 big boils and I had to also include some water, additional water, and now this is how it's looking, and you can see the starch. This white water is the starch, and now we are going to rinse this noodle in cold running water. So let's do that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put all these noodles into this cold running water. This is how you remove the starch, because otherwise the noodles will be sticky. Very important tip. Always rinse the noodles in cold running water. And now let's keep this aside. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of oil, but that is optional. Okay, now this is my kadhai. I've kept the flame on very high, and now I'm going to put chili oil. I'm going to first put garlic, and I'm going to fry this garlic for some time. I don't want it very light brown or brown, just little bit till the raw smell goes. And then we will start adding all the vegetables. Now to this, first I'm going to add chopped green chilies. Around 1 big chopped green chili. Now all through the gas is going to be on high. Chinese cooking is done on high flame. Then you get that smoky flavor. Now to this I am going to add first my onions, sliced onions. And I'm not going to fry them for a very long time, till they are translucent. And then I'm going to add carrots and green pepper, that is capsicum. Fry these onions for 2 to 3 minutes, little bit, till they are translucent. It's been 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to start adding my vegetables. So let's add carrots. I like good vegetables in my noodles. We put capsicum now. You can also add any other vegetable like mushroom if you like, but I don't like it, so I'm not putting. I'm going to mix this well, and we're going to add some salt. But be careful, you have to add little salt, because your sauce that you're going to put, that is the soya sauce and vinegar, this sauce, they already have salt. So don't put in too much, little bit. And let's mix it on high flame. I'm also going to add white pepper powder. I like it in my Hakka noodles. This is optional. If you want, you can put. Along with this, I'm putting vinegar, chili vinegar. And now we are going to mix this properly. Okay, now we are going to add our noodles. We don't want to cook these vegetables, they should be half cooked. My gas is still on high. And let me just mix the noodles, then we will add the remaining 2 sauce. We'll mix the noodles slowly. Mix the noodles nicely with these vegetables. Now to these noodles, we are going to add soya sauce, around 1 tablespoon if you like the taste, otherwise little less, because this is Hakka noodles. Okay, so I'm adding little bit of worcestershine sauce. This is optional if you like the taste. I like the taste, so I'm putting in my Hakka noodles. Otherwise I don't put in any other noodles. And let's mix this again nicely. My noodles are nicely mixed, and I'm going to put in green spring onion, but before that I'm going to put my egg, the 2 eggs that we had taken, and with that I'm going to put little bit of green spring onions. And I'm going to toss it now, nicely mix it. Okay, so I've nicely mixed my noodles, and I have also adjusted the seasoning, that is the sauce. You can do that. And now let me taste and see how they are. So my veg Hakka noodles are ready. Try this recipe in your house and let me know in the comments if you like it. It's very nice, tasty. Spice of garlic and chili is good. Everything is good. So now let's just plate this.